couple of your biggest questions coming into college is how can I meet people, how can I get those internships, and how can I get those scholarships to help pay for college? My advice to you would be to get involved. Getting involved for me was joining Gamma Iota Sigma, the insurance fraternity in the College of Business. By doing so, I was able to accomplish all three of those things, as well as meeting like-minded people and getting exposure to the insurance industry.
I know for a lot of you, it is very important to talk to industry professionals before you decide on a career. Gamma Iota Sigma can help you out with that. We host lunch and learns almost once a week with companies such as All Risks, Gallagher, and Travelers. They talk about the industry and their companies. Afterwards, you are able to go up to them and ask questions, and you could even possibly get an interview.
We have wonderful alumni who are more than willing to help out. They've been in the industry, they've been in your shoes at ISU, and they would love to speak with you as well. You'll be able to meet different industry professionals who can speak with you about your specific situation and see how they can help you move forward within the insurance industry.
So one of the fun things about being a part of the Katie School is participating in so many of their social events. One I can remember in particular is the alumni golf outing, and there you get to meet new people as well as reminisce with old friends, and ultimately one of the people I met there ended up hiring me, and it just goes to show how valuable the Katie School program really is.
If you're looking for ways to meet new people and have fun, then insurance is for you. Gamma has allowed me to attend conferences in Atlanta, Georgia, and Dallas, Texas, where I also went to the Texas State Fair. You'll also be able to go on company site visits and attend chapter social events. All of these experiences have allowed me to meet students and professionals from all across the country. Gamma has also given me some of my best friends and memories since the time I joined my freshman year.
Through the Katie School of Insurance and Gamma Iota Sigma, we also love to give back to the community through our volunteering. Two of my favorite organizations that we get involved in are Midwest Food Bank and Habitat for Humanity. I'm so lucky to be part of such an awesome organization, and I'm so happy to see how it can help you.
Everyone wants to help, everyone wants to share their love of the industry and give you advice to make your pathway into the industry and your college career that much better. And that's what I found so valuable from the Katie School of Insurance and Gamma Iota Sigma, is meeting those types of people who have helped shape me and help guide me to where I am today.